everybody, it's Falcon and Buck here.
And today we are going to be showing you a Friends Funko Pop series set. So we also have a Chase figure in it. So we're going to start off with Ross Geller, which is the first one we have. He has like a worm mustache. It looks like a worm.
It's like straight, but then it's like a super flat triangle, but without the bottom. Okay.
Then we have Phoebe Buffet.
Phoebe Buffet.
I wonder if she owns a buffet.
Phoebe Buffet.
But that's spelled B-U-F-F-E-T.
Phoebe Buffet. Buffet. Wait, no. Her last name is whatever it says, and then her middle name is Buffet.
Then we have regular Monica Geller.
Those two are brother and sister.
And then we have the Chase figure of Monica Geller. We also got these all from Clark Toys. So you could go buy them yourself from either the store or the website. Okay. Next we have Chandler Bing.
His hair looks really weird on the box.
It kind of reminds me of like a cat or something.
It looks like giant ears.
Maybe he has giant ears. Then we have Rachel Green.
So these two we're going to open up.
She's just a normal person. Okay.
And then there's
Joey Tribbiani.
Okay. For some reason he has 3 ties on.
I don't think he has 3 ties on.
No? Look.
Oh,
wait.
Wow.
Not 3, I don't know. Maybe it's just a mixed, or maybe it's just a multicolored tie. But it looks like
Multicolored tie that covers his whole shirt.
It looks like he's wearing like 2 pair of pants.
The insane guy.
There we go.
Her hair is huge.
Hairs.
Huge. What is that she has? Coffee or something, maybe?
Wait, let me see the color inside of it. I think it's fruit punch.
Okay, so there's those 2. So, thank you for watching. Comment down below if you've seen this show and if you like the show. And like, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye, everybody.
Peace out.